Here's some quick laundry room remodel ideas here. Homeowner wanted her countertop to be flat all the way across. Is a little workspace, a little tall for me, but that's what she wanted. I was a little concerned about the span of the countertop over the washer and dryer not being supported enough. So I got some, I built a divider between the two, got some 3/8 by 2.5 inch steel stock from a yard close by, about $75. They actually cut it for me to length. Worst part is routing it nice and flush, and then drilling and countersinking your screw holes to hold it in place. But yeah, I'm going to sleep better at night knowing this is, supported in case anybody decides they want to get up on there to get in these cupboards or for whatever reason. I think it's better to be safe than sorry. So After Effects here looks real nice with the tile in the hardware, and then on the other side of the laundry room they have a refrigerator. Just kind of box that in, a little bit extra storage, some storage above the coat rack there, and some open cabinets on the bottom for some shoes and boots. So yeah, all in all, pretty good project. So I hope that helps you out.